first dream choja hyundai modern style. Once upon a time, there was a young man, Kenta, who lived in a modern town. He was busy with work every day and couldn't afford to dream. One night, exhausted, Kenta fell into bed and fell into a deep sleep. That night, Kenta had a strange dream. In his dream, he lived in a large house that emitted a golden light, where every night's feast was lined up, and he had a good time with the residents in his dream. He was expecting a legendary figure in the town called First Dreamer to appear in that dream. Then, what appeared in the dream was a smart and cheerful first-time dreamer in a futuristic suit. He taught me, "You need to ask from the bottom of your heart to get what you really want." When Kenta woke up from a dream, he remembered the words and realized that he had forgotten what he really wanted to do and his passion. So he decided to work on his hobby of art, and began painting between his work. Gradually, his work attracted attention on social media, and finally he held a solo exhibition at a local gallery. His first dream experience and the teachings of the first dreamer led him to a new life. This story tells us that Kenta was able to realize her dreams by facing herself and rediscovering the passion in her heart. No matter how busy you are, it is important to cherish your dreams.